Hello and welcome to my new prison. This whole room will transform during this video, but I will be focusing on the stairs. I'm making another video for the whole room, and if you want to see that later this year, you should start following me. Now let's get to work. I start by washing the stairs, prepping it for a bonding primer, and I use it because I do not want to paint it every day. And here you can see a close-up of the stairs, and you might understand why we wanted a makeover. Our hallway works as a passage between most of the rooms in the house, so we really wanted it to be something special. We wanted to use some oak in this room, and we will name our next son Oak, or Eik in Norwegian. I think it's a strong and sturdy name, and just love putting tree names on our kids. We also have a little girl called Alma, which represents the alm. I already applied the bonding primer and have started the first layer of paint, but oops, we did not like the color. It was too brown. I think my wife picked the wrong color for the stairs, so now I get to paint it all over again. Twice. Let's skip forward to the oak floorboards. Woodpeckers, it's time to do the stairs. As you see, I've already painted it, but I will clad the stairs with these oak parquet wooden floorboards things. But before we do the floorboards, I fasten these other boards underneath the stairs. They will work as a fastening point for the back wall of the stairs. One down, we need to go. Yes. Wear the glasses.
Pappa?
Ja.
Jeg må si deg en ting. Ikke drill eller båge nå. Men
And
det var
cut. This is my life. I fix things and get interrupted. Constantly. And action.
ikke sagt nå, og så i dag.
So this stairway will be a bit challenging. Hi Alma.
Hei. Hello.
The wood that I have, I stored for a couple of years because I found some parquet for free on our Craigslist. So I thought I was going to use the parquet for a room, but eventually after a couple of years I figured out that I could use it for stairs. So it's great having this shed to store it in. And finally I get to use these oaken flooring. And it all starts with a sharp pencil. And then I cut away one side of the floorboards. This tool makes sure I get the right angle for the cut. Cutting the floorboards to their exact right size is quite a time-consuming challenge, for me at least, especially when all the stairs are not 90 degrees. But what I love about wood is that you can make mistakes and just make some new cuts, and the sealant will hide your worst mistakes. My challenge was that I had no floorboards to spare. This floorboard will be the hardest, with two very interesting angles, so I will show you my mistake and how I solved it. Stupid man. My mistake was that my measurement cut away too much wood, leaving the floorboard hanging over the step. After the first corner has been cut to perfection, I attack the next. Recording moment of truth. I didn't check this once before. Wow. Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was pretty good. Yes. You see, there will be some cracks here, but I bought this cheat thing. You know, I'll just be filling it in with some of this stuff. We call it fuge. Yeah, that's what I have to do. In order to finish this step completely, I have to cut away the excess that sticks out on the back of the stairs, and then glue the two wooden floorboards I use per step together and put it under some pressure so it will stay straight. I leave them overnight and give myself a thumbs up when I see that they are straight. Now it's time to spread them out and apply some top oil, that is also a wax. Because you know, I have almost 4 kids and a wife, and I am 100% sure that someone will spill something on the stairs sooner or later. And after the top oil is done, I buff the wood with an old t-shirt and apply another layer of wax for good luck. In order for the glue to fasten to the stairs, I will clean and sand them down a bit to remove as much grime as possible. Yep, $1 million. And when I am done, I finally open my eyes and see that I have created the most dangerous stairs in the world, ready to impale whoever falls. So I sneak up early the next day and remove it before I have 3 dead kids. Now we get to the point where I hide my lack of cutting skills. Welcome to the sealant. For the best result, you should tape over and under in order to get a straight line, and it will also save you some time if you care about it looking good. And do remember to have some diluted dishwashing soap ready to smooth over after applying the magic sauce. As you clearly see, the edge of the hardwood flooring does not look very attractive. It's like a fly in the soup. I found this oak pattern metal stair nosing on sale, and they were the most expensive thing, coming in at around $105 for all. After all the cuts are done, I remove the tape and there is some adhesive underneath. But to be on the safe side, I add some of my friend Tech 7. These nosings are supposed to be screwed to the wood, but I will see if it is necessary. I can always do it on a later stage. And the lesson learned from my earlier trap is that I should use the long clamps on the side and the smaller tool clips in the middle. Happy wife, happy life. The next day I remove the clips and start measuring where the back plates are going. I will cut and treat this hardwood flooring exact same way as the steps. But first, a Norwegian lesson in reusing parquet. People give this stuff away for free. It's oak. Well, they walked on it, there's some marks in it. Well, I'm just gonna plow it through my machine and it'll be like brand new. I think these cost like 80 to 100 bucks per square meter. Yeah. That's why Norway is gonna be poor someday. I will fasten the boards from the back side of the stairs, so I pre-drilled some sinkholes. But before fitting the boards, I will carve a track for the LED lights that I paid around $10 for. The next best thing about these is that they only pull 1.5 watt an hour, practically nothing. I always focus on costs, especially recurring costs. Sandpapir. Det her. Treverk. From here I just smash through and tape up the LEDs and test to see if everything is working. Then it's a matter of fastening the backboards, getting some help from my wife, fastening the floorboards to the backboards, closing up the side hole, and voila, we are done. I feel like the stairs are too many levels above my pay grade right now, but I bet I will get used to it. Total cost came in around $160. If you want to see how this whole room transformed, there will be a video out later on MartinWood Studios. Yeah, my newest daughter, she's around 2 years old. She likes to poo in strange places, and you know, one of my shoe boxes. Yeah. MartinWood Studios. Welcome, woodpeckers.